Happy Wednesday, guys. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Stas here, and you saw the title. We have to break down Nvidia stock today. Cheers, by the way, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in, especially because we didn't break it down yesterday. We missed the video yesterday, so we have to do an update today. So guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Very, very important. And get your free stocks for a moo. Check out that link down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you'll get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000, you'll get 10 more free stocks. And get this, guys, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which I'm telling you, man, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stasurfest.com/moo. Get your money. And with that being said, cheers again. Let's get into it. So it's about 11, actually no, not even 10:30 a.m. on the East Coast. So we're only an hour into the session. And let me tell you guys, Nvidia stock has been chopping around all over the place. We opened up at around 137.35. We then dumped down to 135.20, only to then V-shape recover all the way back past the closing, or excuse me, the opening price. And now we're selling off yet again. So we're pretty much zigzagging, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's what we've been doing so far today, including the pre-market session as well, which you guys can clearly see here. So on the 5-day, 5-minute, well, now you guys can see we're still downtrending. We're continuing the downtrend. And since I didn't do an update yesterday, let's take a look at yesterday's price action as well. We took out the lows from the previous day, from Monday, with yesterday's trading. We hit 133.79 towards the end of the day, after we hit 141, almost 142 in the morning, which, by the way, that was also a lower high, a sign that the downtrend is continuing. You guys see these clear lower highs being put in even this morning. You guys can see, if I get this channel tool out on, let's say, the 30-minute chart, and I zoom in a little bit, we can see right here we have a clear downtrend, right? Lower lows, lower highs, and we put in a lower high yesterday, like I said, in the morning. Monday in the pre-market, we put another one in. Friday as well, right here, right? And today, as of now, we're putting in one at 138 as we're getting rejected at the top of this channel here on the 30-minute chart, and right under the 180 SMA, we're getting hit there as well, which is at about $139 per share here on Nvidia. So guys, yeah, we're selling off. The sell-off is continuing in the very short term. And on the 1-hour chart, you guys can see now we have a death cross, which I think last update we did, at least on this time frame, we didn't have a death cross. Now we do. After we rallied a bit from 131 up to about 146, which, we got rejected. That wasn't a legitimate breakout rally. And since that point, a couple days ago, about a week ago, we started reversing, which again, now that's led to this death cross. We're in this downtrending channel, you guys see. And here on the 4-hour chart, if I zoom in a little bit, what do we have here, guys? It's a head and shoulders. It's a head and shoulders on Nvidia. Pretty clear as day. Let me draw it out so you guys can see it, which we did. We did call this out in a previous update, but let me show you guys again here. We have the left shoulder, we have the head, we have the right shoulder, kind of right here in this ballpark. Let me draw it out so you guys can see it. Boom, you guys see that right shoulder. So I'm looking at this like, if Nvidia breaks under, let's say 133, we clear under that level, which we almost did yesterday. We almost did it as well in the end of November, end of October, mid-October as well. We held 133. So if we, if we see that flush under that support, maybe this head and shoulders plays out. Maybe we do end up going back down towards, 115, maybe 120, which was the low from the beginning of October. This gap could start to fill to the downside big if, we break under 133 to about 132. I'll set my alerts right now. Create alert. Mark is at or below 133. I'll do that right now, and I'll do another one. Might as well. Let's see. Create alert. I'll do one at maybe 131.50. Mark is at or below, and we'll monitor it and see where it goes, guys. I'm long Nvidia. You know that. I'm not bearish by any means long term, but in the short term here, it kind of looks a little bearish. I'm not going to lie. We're under the moving averages on this 4-hour chart. We have that head and shoulders in the making. We're one break from us going back to 115, 120, 125, that general range, which honestly, that's a buying spot for me. I'd buy more shares of Nvidia if it were to fill this gap down. I'll probably buy on the entire leg down here to 115 if we get it. Big if we get it. It's not guaranteed, obviously, guys, and please do your own research. But overall, that's kind of what I'm seeing right now on Nvidia stock. It's up a good amount. Not a crazy amount, but 1.2% on the day. Not bad in the midst of a pretty solid day for the stock market. The Russell's up 0.3%. QQQ 1.5%. Very big day for the Qs. Dow down a little bit, 0.1. All right. Slightly in the red, but the S&P's up almost 0.75%. So pretty good day so far for every index except for the Dow, and we'll see what Nvidia does here at this point. It's a very big level of support, which we're pretty much at it right now. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let's break down another stock or two here, but first, actually, make sure to join my email list. Guys, it's free, and I'm sending you my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your inbox, and it takes like 30 seconds to sign up, not even. And again, it's free, so check out the link in the description box. I'll also pin it in the comment section as well. Make sure you guys get in there. So GameStop, GME, is moving up around 7% right now when I'm watching this video. Earnings came out, I think, yesterday. Let's see what the company did here, guys. EPS of 4 cents, which I think might have came in line there. Where's it at? It's not saying the estimate there. Actually, no, adjusted EPS came in at 6 cents. That beat the negative 3 cents expected. Let's see here. Sales, 860 versus 887 million. So they beat EPS. Nice, but they missed on sales. And last year, same quarter, they did like $1.09 billion in sales. So they're down about 16, 17, 18% in that ballpark year over year, which is not good. Actually, no, 20%. Yeah, look here. Sales dropped 20% from last year. Not ideal for GameStop, but obviously the stock doesn't move on fundamentals. We all know that. So we have to keep an eye on it as momentum is building up, and Roblox is up 5.5% right now, which we called out the dip about a week ago. Man, talk about a great dip buy that was at $50. Now we're pushing 60, and to be honest, guys, it looks like we might be going up even more. We're about to take out, actually we did slightly earlier today, take out the highs from around a week ago, being about 59, $60. Which honestly could be the next breakout spot here for Roblox. So RBLX looks really bullish. Google looks really good as well today, guys. We're up another 4%. Google hit another all-time high, or not even another all-time high. It's been a while, a couple months. I'm acting like they just hit an all-time high last week, but officially now, guys, we've taken out the all-time high from July about 5 months ago, as we hit $195.21 today. And oh man, am I excited? Am I pumped and hyped that I bought the dip here on Google. I was buying it over the last couple of months here and there. We got all the way down to 148, which was a beautiful 23% drop. I was buying that dip. I bought some more literally like 10 days ago, a week ago. And yeah, now we're rocketing, man. 4% in the green, all-time highs. And honestly, guys, I think $200 plus is coming easy on Google, maybe even before the end of this year. I don't know. I mean, I don't think that's too bold of a prediction. I think that's a no-brainer. We'll see. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Guys, what are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Open up your account. Fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks, totaling 15 free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer. Best deal out there right now. So use that link down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.